Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides will see further sporty yet stylish features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with a gloss mid-silver contrast. To the rear, you'll also notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to access a third row set of seats within the rear, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families, and they will also have their own cooling vents within the third row. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony Windsor leather seats with their lunar grey stitching, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Driver of this vehicle will also be able to access their leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel and their 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen. Looking down, you'll also have a wireless charging pad, and lastly we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we now have available here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.